So I have a hardware thing for you today. So I have a Synology. It sits in our basement, and it's basically used to store like our photos and our computer backups. And then we copy those up into the cloud. But it's basically a local backup device for us. But we originally installed just like short of 6 terabytes. It was 2 terabyte drives with one as a failure drive and one as the actual storage drive. And we kind of we're at 88% right now, which is a problem, and we needed more space. So I went out and I got 2 more drives. So we now have 4 6 terabyte drives in this thing. And so on Sunday, I installed them into the Synology and I added them to the storage pool. And you can see right now on Wednesday, it's just a little before 8. It's at a little short of 50%. And so I was really curious about, well, how long is this going to take to finish, right? And so at 3 p.m. yesterday, it was at 38%. And then today at 8 a.m., it's, just like a little bit shy of 50%. And so I did some quick math. And so in 17 hours, we've increased 11%, right? So we're about 50% left. And we're about 50% left. And so if I do some multiplication, that gives me 75 hours that are still left in this process. So like a little over 3 days. And to me, that's just fascinating, right? Like sometimes we do processes like this where I'm moving 6 terabytes worth of information or 5 terabytes worth of information, and it's just going to take days, right? It's like almost going to take a whole week for this second step to finish. I don't even know what steps 3 and 4 are. I mean, those could take another like forever, right? So anytime your boss says, "How come this is taking so long?" You can just be saying, "Look,